Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to install more drops and XP gain mod in Dying Light the Beast. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to check my video description for this site link. Scroll down and go to files and select the manual download option under main files. Select the slow download option and it will start downloading. If you are new to this site, then you will be redirected to a login page. You just need to log into this site, guys. If it doesn't have an account, then select the register option and create a new account. And then select the slow download option and it will be download done. After the download done, right click and select WinRAR and select extract to. After the extract done, just drag this to left, right, navigate to the game folder. In my case, I saved in C drive. After you are in the game folder, you will just need to double click on ph_ft source and just drag and drop this file and replace the file in the destination. And now just to close stuff here and you can open the game and enjoy the mod. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.